Hey everybody, it's Ben here, and I am in front of my garage, which I installed solar panels on myself. I did that 3 years ago now, and every month I've been showing you what my real-world electric bill has been coming to. That's a 5.4 kilowatt solar array on the AC side. Right now, this is September, so this would be my August electric bill. So let's open it up and see how much I owe the power company or how much they owe me. So, of course, in the summer, the biggest user of electricity is going to be air conditioning. And even though it's going to be fall out here, August, was kind of your typical summer warm. I don't think we were using the air conditioning too much, but you're finding out what my electric bill is the same time here that I am. And the bottom line number is... Holy cow, how'd that happen? Negative $64? I was not expecting that. Holy cow. I think it was a sunnier month than I thought, and we used our air conditioning less than I imagined. Wow. The other thing that's kind of cool is a while back I found out that I could be on a time of use plan and also have solar. So what's really cool about that is my electricity, when I'm cranking it out during the day in the summer, is worth more than what it would otherwise be. I've got a couple of electric cars. I do charge those, which is a lot less expensive than running them on gasoline. But the other thing that I'm doing is I charge them at night, which is when people aren't using as much electricity. And if you're on a time of use plan, it's a lot less expensive electricity as well. Now, the other thing to keep in mind too, a lot of people have been asking me about return on investment, which is just, well, how much did you spend on this and what's it been worth to you so far? Before starting to record this video, I did just take a look at the numbers on how much how much energy I've created since I installed the solar panels in summer 3 years ago. And so far that's come to 23.5 megawatt hours, or 23,500 kilowatt hours. And if we multiply that by a typical 13 cents per kilowatt hour, I get $3,055. Now, after tax incentives, all of this cost me about $6,500, which means at this point, about 3 years and 3 months in, I'm at 47% of a simple economic return on investment. Now, keep in mind, that's just straight up math on a 13 cents per kilowatt hour value of that electricity. Now, because I am now on that time of use plan, my electricity is actually more valuable, and this is going to pay off faster, but the exact math, the numbers on that is a little more complicated as well. I'll get some of those advanced numbers to you in the future. The other thing to keep in mind too is that all the electricity that I make and use myself, I don't have to pay a sales tax on that. I also don't have to earn a bunch of money, get income tax taken out, and then take money that's left and use it to pay my electricity bill. And when you figure those sorts of things in, a solar system may actually pay for itself about a third faster than you think it otherwise might. So frankly, I am blown away by this month's electric bill here. I think this is actually the best paying one ever. Wow. Go figure. I gotta take a look through all these numbers up really close. But the big deal is I exported 520 kilowatt hours on peak and just sent it out to my neighbors. And it looks like that was what was most valuable here. The other thing is I've got kind of a rolling credit with the power company going all summer. And now we're up to $270.04 that the power company owes me. I'm pretty excited about this. And it's not just the economics, but it also feels really good to be able to make your own electricity. It's kind of like having your own garden, right? The vegetables out of your own garden are going to absolutely be the best and the freshest. And my electricity kind of feels that way too. I hope you like these videos. Please like, comment, subscribe. Check out the blog over at 300mpg.org. And I'll see you next time. Stay charged up.